What if a 20-something could turn AI expertise into a million-dollar empire? Meet AllieKMiller, the trailblazing AI leader who went from IBM's youngest AI product builder to a Fortune 500 advisor with AKM Consulting. With 2 million followers and a knack for turning buzzwords into business gold, how did Miller create a powerhouse that shapes AI for giants like Google and Salesforce? Join us as we dive into her journey. From coding in college to building a consulting empire that's redefining AI strategy. Let's get started. AllieKMiller's story begins in the mid-1990s, born into a world on the cusp of the internet revolution. Growing up with a curiosity for how humans and machines interact, she enrolled at Dartmouth College studying cognitive science, a blend of computer science, linguistics, and psychology. At 19, she coded a 3-year machine learning study, diving into neural networks when AI was still a niche field. Her academic brilliance shone, earning her a spot at the Wharton School for a double major MBA, where she founded the Penn AI Initiative, a student group that grew into a $5 million curriculum by 2020. Miller's career took off at IBM in 2016, where, at 22, she became the youngest woman to build an AI product. Leading development across computer vision, conversational AI, and data regulation, she created solutions for thousands of companies, from facial recognition to chatbot frameworks. Her work earned her 3 National Innovation Competition Grand Prizes, showcasing her ability to turn ideas into impact. By 2019, she was named AIconic's AI Innovator of the Year, a rising star with a vision to make AI accessible. But Miller wasn't content in corporate life. She wanted to shape AI's future on her own terms, setting the stage for her entrepreneurial leap. In 2019, Miller joined Amazon Web Services as the global head of machine learning business development for startups and venture capital, a role that would define her entrepreneurial path. As the first hire, she built a global ML business from scratch, advising top researchers, founders, and investors. Her team grew to 100 people, transforming AWS's ML division into a 10-figure revenue juggernaut by 2022. Miller guided startups like Anthropic and OpenAI, helping them raise $100 million and scale AI solutions for healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity. Her 3 Ps framework, people, process, products, became a blueprint for AI integration, boosting client ROIs by 312% on average, per Forbes 2023. Outside work, Miller became AI's loudest advocate, amassing 1 million LinkedIn followers by 2020. Named LinkedIn's top voice for AI from 2019 to 2023, she shared insights on generative AI, neural search, and data strategies, mentoring underrepresented groups through the AI pipeline, and co-founding Girls of the Future. Her speaking engagements at the European Commission and United Nations showcased her global influence, drafting AI policies and authoring 10 guidebooks on building AI projects. By 2023, Miller saw a gap. Businesses needed practical AI strategies, not just tech. She left AWS to launch AKM Consulting, a firm to empower Fortune 500 companies and startups with her expertise, turning her vision into a million-dollar venture. AKM Consulting, launched in 2023, was Miller's bold bet on AI's future. Operating from New York, she offered advising, speaking, and educational products to demystify AI for businesses. Her flagship Enterprise AI Mastery Toolkit, priced at $499, provided 4 modules: AI alignment assessment, use case readiness, a cheat sheet of AI tools, and a leadership guide. Adopted by Fortune 500 firms like Novartis and Samsung, it helped clients align AI with organizational goals, boosting efficiency by 40%, per her website. Her AI for Business Leaders course, with 40 modules and guest speakers like OpenAI's Brad Lightcap, trained 1,000 executives by 2025, generating $500,000 in revenue. Miller's consulting fees, ranging from $50,000 to $75,000 per engagement, reflected her value, advising companies like Google and Salesforce on AI strategy, data governance, and workflow automation. By 2024, AKM Consulting hit $1 million valuation, driven by 15,000 client engagements and 1.5 million social media followers. Her ** framework categorized AI use cases by ROI timelines, ensuring measurable outcomes. Speaking at the World Economic Forum in 2024, Miller predicted AI would create 97 million jobs by 2025, emphasizing responsible acceleration to balance innovation and ethics. With 200-plus global talks at Harvard, Stanford, and Salesforce events, she became AI's most sought-after voice, turning AKM into a powerhouse. Miller's empire faced challenges. In 2023, enterprises banned AI tools like ChatGPT over data privacy fears, threatening consulting demand. Critics questioned whether her frameworks oversimplified AI's complexity, with competitors like McKinsey and Deloitte offering rival AI solutions. Miller also navigated ethical scrutiny, as generative AI raised concerns about bias and job displacement. Her response? A focus on people change, not just tech. She warned enterprises against vague KPIs, advocating behavior shifts across teams per her 2024 Scale-Up AI keynote. Through the AI Pipeline and Girls of the Future, Miller mentored women and underrepresented groups, addressing AI's 22% female workforce gap. Her courses emphasized ethical AI, teaching clients to mitigate bias and ensure transparency. Despite competition, AKM's practical tools and Miller's 2 million followers kept her ahead, with clients praising her 312% ROI impact. By 2025, her partnership with Microsoft AI expanded her reach, integrating her frameworks into cloud platforms, proving her resilience in a turbulent industry. At 30, AllieKMiller is AI's leading light, named to Time's 2025 AI Influencers and Chief in Tech's Top 100 Women in Tech. AKM Consulting's million-dollar empire thrives on her vision. AI isn't just tech, it's human potential amplified. Her AI daily planner, both physical and digital, and free 50-page ChatGPT guide have reached 70,000 users, boosting productivity for entrepreneurs and executives. As an angel investor, she backs AI startups in generative AI and healthcare, co-investing with Peter Thiel and Khosla Ventures. Miller predicts multimodal AI, blending text, images, and brainwaves, will drive autonomous enterprises by 2030, per her 2024 Scale-Up AI talk. Her advocacy for diversity through AAAS and advancing women in product reshapes AI's workforce. With AKM consulting training firms like Citi and NVIDIA, Miller's empire empowers businesses to thrive in the AI age. Can her responsible acceleration shape a better future? Comment below, like, and subscribe to explore more AI stories.